I am, yo soy.
Now,
I was, yo fui.
just before,
I was, yo era.
long ago, yo soy. I was, yo fui. I was, yo era.
Soy, fui, era.
Let's learn together.
Soy, fui, era. I am, yo soy.
Now,
I was, yo fui.
just before,
I was, yo era.
long ago. Soy, fui, era. Let's learn together.
Soy, fui, era. Soy Alex.
Fui médico.
Just before,
Era feliz en Colombia.
long ago.
La 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 la.
Soy, fui, era.
Let's learn together.
Soy, fui, era. I will be, yo seré. I will be, yo seré.
Soy Alex. Fui médico.
Just before,
Era feliz en Colombia.
long ago.
Practice every day and you'll see how easy Spanish will be. Soy with Alex.
Sing with Alex. Fui, era.
Let's learn together.
Soy, fui, era.
La 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 la.
For English speakers, the verb
Ser.
can be complicated because in English, the verb to be has only one meaning. However, in Spanish, we have two verbs,
Ser.
and
Estar.
the main difference is that we use
Ser.
to talk about permanent things, while
Estar.
is used for temporary things. Today, we will focus on.
Ser.
Let's look at its conjugations in different tenses. Present, I am,
Yo soy.
we use
Yo soy.
to describe permanent characteristics. Example, I am a doctor.
Yo soy médico.
This is my profession. It does not change easily. Another example, I am tall.
Yo soy alto.
My height is a fixed characteristic. Preterite
Yo fui.
can be confusing because in Spanish,
Yo fui.
can mean I was or I went. When we use
Fui.
from the verb,
Ser.
we refer to something in the past that has already ended. Example, I was a student.
Yo fui estudiante.
I was a student before, but I am not anymore. Imperfect
Yo era.
is used for descriptions in the past without specifying a beginning or an end. Example, I was a teacher in a small school.
Yo era profesor en una escuela pequeña.
It was my profession in the past, but we don't know when it started or ended. Also,
Era.
is used when describing permanent things that happened long ago. Example, I was shy when I was little.
Yo era tímido cuando era pequeño.
Key rule. In Spanish, when talking about past situations, we use
Era.
imperfect 99% of the time rather than
Fui.
preterite for permanent traits. So always use
Era.
to translate I was in descriptions, identities, or lasting characteristics.
Hablando con Alex.